6 unit. So we can continue here. So here is some insurance of motor vehicles against third party risk. So what is this? Okay, because when vehicle is new, when vehicle is new, then there is a insurance that is called the direct insurance, and this insurance is directly benefited the owner only. Okay, so owner can get the benefit of direct insurance, but when the vehicle is old, like 2 3 year old, then third party insurance is required. So this third party, what is that? So authority insurer, IRDA, insurance regularities and development authority, IRDA, Genius Hurt, Section 320 IPA, hit and run motor accident. Okay, so this is benefited by the person who hitted by you in the accident condition. So government, driver, any other co-worker on a transport vehicles. So if accident will happen from your vehicle, so this insurance give the protection amount to the government, driver and any other co-worker which is affected through the accident. So accident causes cases. So what is the accident cases? The police officer investigate, prepare an accident information particulars, time within 3 months, submit to claim tribunal, means for the claiming of the amount under the third party insurance, that is maximum 3 months to date of the accident. So here is we can say that I show you some factors where you get this some information. Okay, so next is a scheme for the golden hour, 1 hour, 162. Comprehension in the case of hit and run motor accident. Central government shall make a scheme for the cashless treatment of the victim. Means what happened? If anyone hit and run, so for that particular person, central government within 1 hour create a cashless treatment for the victim. Payment of compensation in case of death. It is under the 164. Owner of the motor vehicle, the authorized insurer. Death or grievous hurt. Grievous means serious hurt. Means there is a damage of body part. Okay. 5 lakh rupees on the death. 2.5 lakh for the grievous hurt. Means what happened during this accident, the owner is lost his body part like leg, head, sorry, leg, hand, and it is not able to work. So in that case, 2.5 lakh rupee provided by the insurance company. Motor Vehicle Act fund created under the section of 163 act as other fund before the Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019. So here punishment of the offense under 182A relating to alternation in construction, maintenance, sale, alternation of the vehicle component. Alternation means what are the proper or safety equipments that is added to the vehicle, and if anyone can remove that, means alter the construction of the vehicle. So this is a punishment table offense. Okay. Fine. What is the fine? 1 year imprisonment or 1 lakh rupee or both. In that case means you altering the vehicle safety equipments or other equipments which is required for the safety, then it is found that you get a 1 year imprisonment and 1 lakh rupee fine or both. Carriage of the excess passenger. So what is that? Means fill the excess passenger in the vehicle. Transport vehicle carrying more passenger than authorized in the registration certificate in the permit, punishable with fine of 200 rupees per excess passenger. 200 rupees per excess passenger. This is the old rate. I show you the current rate in previous lecture. That is the 1000 passenger per per passenger. Safety belt, seating of the children. The segment or section 194B. Age of 14 year, safety belt is required. Up to 4 year, a child resistance system is there. So age of 14 year. See, means between the 14 to, sorry, 5 to 4 there is a safety belt, and below 4 year or till 4 year till 4 year, this arrangement a child restraint system is required, punishable with a fine of 1000 rupees. Means if this not will happen, you are not providing the seat belt for the child or see steering system for the below the 4 year child, then this is a offense and the 1000 rupees fine is there. So penalty for no headgear means helmet, 194D, punishable with a fine of 1000 rupees, cancellation of license for 3 months. This is the penalty for the if you are not wearing the helmet. Failure to allow free passenger for emergency vehicle means what happened. See here, this is the ambulance, and these two vehicles stop the way of this ambulance, so that a fire safety vehicles and ambulance, other emergency vehicle may be governmented. Punishable will be imprisonment of 6 months or with a fine of 10,000 rupees or both. 10,000 rupees or both. So that use of horn and silencer zone. Sorry, use of horn and this is not an use of horn in silence zone. Okay, so this is the under the 194 section horn. Sound the horn needlessly or continuously or more than necessary to ensure safety. An area with a traffic signal prohibiting the use of horn, cut out by which exhaust gases release not through the silencer. Punishable fine of 1000 rupees. A second or subsequent means if you find another time, then with a fine of 2000 rupees. Means if you repeat the same things will be happen, then the fine is just double. Use of electronic forms and documents. Filling of form and application by the central or state government in electronic form. Issue or grant of any license, permit, sanction, approved or endorsement call in a particular manner. The receipt of payment of money in a particular manner by the electronic forms. So, instructor of new section 119A and 119B offense by the juveniles means minor means below 18 year below 18 year person can drive the vehicles. So this is your juveniles means what happened in that case the owner of the vehicle or guardian will get punishable amount 99A. The guardian of such javelin or the owner of the motor vehicle shall be deemed to be guilty. 199B. The fine as provided in the act shall be increased by the fine amount not exceeded 10% by the state government. Means what happened? The fine is 25,000 to 1 lakh, but state government can be increased this, but not more than 10%. Pollution under control certificate. Mandatory documents required for a vehicle. Validity of PUC for a new car is 1 year from the registration. Renewal every 6 months. Okay, so it is under the 194B cut out by which exhaust gases with a fine of 2000 rupees. Okay, if you don't have PUC, then a fine of 2000 rupees is needed. New section 2B, promotion of innovation. So 2B, promote innovation, research, development in the field of vehicular engineering, mechanically propelled vehicle, transportation in general. The central government may exempt certain type of mechanically propelled vehicle from the application of the provision of this act. So what happened in this, government promoted the innovation means any engineers want to some innovation change, so they can apply through the application and this may be changes. So you can now see different acts under this presentation. So now we talk about the RTO. Okay, so first we talk about the duty of RTO. So vehicle traffic is increasing in India day by day. The role of RTO is regulating traffic in increasing. Along with this, some of Important duties under the RTO is vehicle registration, conducting driving test, means before providing the driving license the test is needed, which is done by the RTO. Routine inspection of the vehicle, granting international driving license, issuing and renewing the driving license, maintaining a database for all registered vehicle, issuing certificate to access the fitness of vehicle, managing the permit issued to the truck, auto, taxi, etc., collection of road fund, license and road tax, excise duty, checking emission and issuing the pollution certificate for the vehicles, enforcing the motor vehicle rules establishment by the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, implementing the any new rules issuing by the government with regard to motor vehicles. Okay, so whatever the new rules comes, that is the responsibility of RTO. They can implement it. So, what are the responsibilities of RTO? Ensure the timely dispatch of all periodically. Exercise all power delegates to him as an assistant RTA. Act as applicant authority under MV Act and MV Act. Bring the notice of the head of the office all the important legal matter without any delay. So, what are the safety features? What are the safety features by the government which is needed? So, we can discuss that the safety system is very much important. So, we can understand the vehicle safety system. So, airbag. So, what is airbag? Airbag are positive safety feature designed. Airbag are stored fabric bag that are folded and bring behind various parts inside of the vehicles. Many vehicles have a driver airbag in the steering column and a front passenger airbag in the dashboard. Newer vehicles may also have a side airbag located in the interior side of the panel, the roof, and the door. Feature, what is the features, what is the safety provided by the airbag? It is provide added protection to seat belt. It's reduce injury by the either cushioning the occupant contact with the interior of the vehicle are preventing the contact completely in the even of the crush. Seat belt. So what is the seat belt? Seat belt ensure your safety by the inertia forces. Means during the running condition, what happened? The inertia forces apply to the passenger and driver, and when the sudden brake is apply or accident is happen, the car or vehicle made to the breakers, high breakers, then this seat belt is make your position at it is. So what happened? Jerk is not damage you. So seat belt are also a positive vehicle safety features designed to minimize the severity of the injury sustained by the drivers and passenger in the event of a crash. Okay, when a vehicle stop or accelerate suddenly, a great deal of force is placed on the everything inside the vehicle. Okay, when a vehicle stop or accelerate suddenly, a great force is placed in everything inside in the vehicle, including the people in the vehicle. Seat belt help to reduce the effect of this force by distributing the across the strongest part of the body, the chest and other body parts. So here, so here I show you a video. You already hear about the airbag for the car. Means most of the car airbag is provided. So here I show you a video where the airbag for the bikes is designed. I share the video. Just minute. So here I show you a video. See, there is a bike and here is a car, and what happened when the accident without airbag? See, accident will be happen and more This is the with airbag. Without ABS anti braking system, and with it is 30 meter and it is 27 meter. 3 meter is there. So here is the safety features of the anti braking system. Now see, this is the bike airbag which is wear by the vehicle person. Now you see, when the accident will happen, then what happened? This airbag is activated and it save your life. So because in all the car, maximum car, this airbag will provided, which is protect you with the accidents. So this is how the vehicle airbag work, and it provide the safety to vehicle driver. So here we can say that the road safety, I today I told you, or we can discuss what are the amendment developed in 2019 by the Indian government, and these things is prevent you or stop the people who is routine offense will be done by the peoples, because the amount of fine is much increases, so they can stop this. And for proper running of the vehicles, and they provide good service to you, so there is the maintenance is required to the vehicle. Maintenance is required to the vehicle. So here type of the maintenance is there. First is preventive maintenance. What is that? It is a schedule of planned maintenance action aimed at the prevention of the breakdown and failure. Primary goal is to prevent the failure of equipment before it actually occurs. Preserve and enhance the equipment or vehicle reliability by the replacing worn components before they actually fail. Type of preventive are scheduled maintenance. Daily maintenance, clean the vehicle, check the engine oil label and top up the fuel if necessary. Check radiator water label and top up it. Inspect tire for normal pressure and ensure that no tire is under the pressure. Check for fuel in the tank. Check up whether light and electric accessories work properly or not. Check up for the normal functioning of the vehicle. Start engine and check up for performance. This is the daily maintenance. Means you need to do it daily for the better performance of the vehicle. Weekly maintenance, check electrolyte label in the battery and add distilled water if necessary. Clean battery terminals and apply Vaseline to prevent the corrosion. Check tire pressure and inflate if necessary. Means we can fill the air if necessary. Check brake fluid label and top up if necessary. Check tire for the abnormal wear. Wash vehicle with water mixed with detergent or the soap. Clean, play, refit if the vehicle is petrol driven. Tighten the joint belt and axle the bolt. Tighten springs and bolt and nut if necessary. Adjust fan belt play if necessary. Check up water pump, grease cup if necessary, then replace. And what about the monthly maintenance? In the monthly maintenance, service vehicle at the appropriate data. Check up and adjust the free play of the brake. Check up and adjust the free play of the clutch. Soap wash vehicle polish if the vehicle is the station. Change engine oil and appropriate mileage. Check up and tune up the vehicle mirror. Tighten engine gearbox and body, maintaining the bolt. Remove all the wheel. Check brake drum, brake lighting. Check brake leaning and turn up the brake drum if necessary. Examine all wheel bearing for what before rearrangement. Remove old grease and replace with the fresh grease. Okay, and now quarterly maintenance. Daily, weekly, monthly, and now quarterly maintenance. Tighten body bolts and change the packing if necessary. Blow and adjust the brake. Carry out the engine tune up if petrol driven vehicle is there. Check up pedal and side play and rectify it. Clean up and renew engine counting bed. During service, remove and clean shank pin in the necessary action is required. Check up steering linkage and play and adjust if necessary. In case of diesel engine, overhauling injection behind the above items of was all the item maintained in the monthly maintenance schedule be carried out during the quarterly maintenance also. So what happened? These are the maintenance which is required, preventing maintenance. So we always follow the preventing maintenance, which is reduce the failure of the body part, failure of the body part, and failure of the body part and damage of the vehicle. So by preventing